Today we will take a look at team management in Open House Wizard. First of all, we want to go to the team management option on the dashboard menu. And here you'll see your current team members. And you can see you can add agents, you can edit agents, you can remove them, you can view their properties, which also allows you to view visitors and some other things. So let's start off with adding an agent. Here we need to fill in the basic information: name, email, phone. We're going to send them an email right here by clicking yes so they can set their password. And we are also going to add their headshot. I want to point out that the website, company name, phone, disclaimer, logo will all flow from the team leader account, so you don't have to add all that stuff. So you want to make sure as a team leader that you've added all those items to your account so that they can flow down to members. Okay, so you can see I just added the agent information, clicked the button yes to send an email, and I uploaded a headshot. So now we're going to go ahead and submit this to save the agent. Now you can see the new agent shows on our team. And now we can do other things like add properties, edit the agent if you want to change anything, or if you change your mind, you can also remove the agent. Let's take a look at an existing agent. Let's take a look at Johnny Johnson. We're going to see Johnny's properties. Here we can see that he has 3 properties, 2 of which he did opens for. You can see the visitors here. Let's take a look at some of the visitors. Here's the 3 for this property. This one has 2. Here's the 2 for that property. And all the parting information is there. We could also edit the property. To do so, just click on the property name. We'll go for this one here. And here's all the details for that property. If anything needs to be changed here, you can do it. Once you're finished, just do a save. We could also create a flyer for any open house that a member has. So let's go ahead and create one here for the Don Shula Drive. We choose all of our options: full page, half page, whatever kind of flyer you want to create. Double check the images. Yep, they're all there. Any other information we want to change or add? To change the color scheme for the flyer, you can do so here, as well as lots of other things you can change, such as the heading on the flyer and other information. Once you're finished, you just create the flyer. This will send the created flyer to the agent directly. We can return to the properties page or to the flyer page. Let's just go back to properties. As you can see, there's still a few more things we can do here, such as adding a property. If you have a member you want to help out and you want to add a property for them, here's where you can do it. So we'll just go ahead and add a property randomly. And then we want to fill in all the pertinent details and add the images. When you're finished with that, we just click Save. Now, as you can see, that property was just saved to Johnny Johnson's account, and now you can create a flyer for that property, or pretty much anything else that you can do. Let's go ahead and run an Open for Don Shula Drive. To do so, you just use the Run Open button. This is great if you're working with an agent, a MAP team member, and you're doing it open with them. Or if you're doing it open for them, this is a quick and easy way to do it. This page will show on your device. So you have a text code, you have a QR code, and you have a classic sign-in form. This gives visitors lots of options to choose how they want to register. Last but not least, on the property management page, you can remove a property by using the Run button. So let's go ahead and remove Second Port. That's the property we created a little bit earlier. We're going to confirm that we do want to delete that property. And we're also being warned that all the visitors associated with that property will be deleted as well. So let's go ahead and do it. So as you can see, the property has been removed, and we're back to the original 3 properties that we originally saw here on Johnny Johnson's account. As you can see, managing a team is very easy with Open House Wizard. Literally a couple minutes to set up a team, a minute or 2 to edit a team member. So it's very fast and very easy to use. Thanks for looking.